I am the Honorable Alhaji Mwendia, Secretary General of the Jubilee Party in Meru County and the Chairman of the Joint Executive Caucus of the Jubilee Party in Central Kenya. I want to voice our position as the Jubilee Party in Meru and Central Kenya in matters regarding the BBI. This is a golden opportunity to rectify any shortcomings in the Constitution, which is now 10 years old. We have a golden opportunity to rectify anything we thought was not right or we think is not right with the Constitution, the 10-year-old Constitution we have today. I have sat in forums chaired by the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. And I'm convinced beyond a reasonable doubt that Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta means well for this country. I am convinced beyond a reasonable doubt that Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta means well for his people. And I want to urge our politicians, more so in the Central Kenya region, to shelve those very personal ambitions, to shelve those very selfish interests, and look at the wider picture and see what the president has for the people, especially of Central Kenya, being the senior most politician in Central Kenya. And we must also be able to understand that the political dispensation of yesteryears, the political arrangement of yesteryears is not going to work from now henceforth. From now henceforth, we are not going to have an imperial president in the Republic of Kenya. We are going to have a president, we are going to have a prime minister, we are going to have two deputy prime ministers, we are going to have a deputy president, and we must position ourselves as the people of Meru and as a region for these positions. The imperial presidency of yesteryears ended with Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. I would like to tell our people to study the new political dispensation in Central Kenya and be able to position ourselves in line with the new political dispensation or the upcoming political dispensation. Let's use the BBI. Let's secure ourselves by putting things in place, things which will take care of our interests, including putting in the Constitution and a percentage, an amount of money, a certain percentage of our income, national income, to agriculture and other such things. Let's get some powers from the president to prime minister. Let's bring some money to the counties. Let's bring a higher percentage of money to the counties. Let's have a higher allocation to the counties. That in case from now henceforth we have a president who is not friendly to us, or a prime minister who is not friendly to us, our issues are catered for constitutionally. That even if the president refuses to do development for us at county level, we have managed to do our developments at county levels and then ensure there is more accountability. There is a better accountability at our counties, that when we get monies from the national government, the counties are protected and they are supervised by law to make sure that this money does not go to waste.